Oilfield service and equipment providers have been hit particularly hard by the drop in oil prices. Revenues have fallen off as E&Ps have cut their capital budgets and activity levels have been slashed. And some $130 billion in market capitalization has been wiped out. Now, oil and gas has always been a cyclical business, and as soon as the downturn came, executives reached for their tried and true playbook. They reduced costs, laid people off, and cut back on capital expenditures. And it's worked as margins have recovered a bit from the initial drop. But increasingly, executives are waking up to the fact that the industry is actually at a strategic crossroads. Not only are there signposts that the current duration may rival the one from the 80s, but there are indications that the industry that does eventually recover will look unlike the one of even a few years ago. North American tight oil will remain an important part of the production mix, even though it's challenged at today's prices. Deepwater developments will likely continue to move forward, but only the most economic will see sanction. And frontier sources such as Arctic and ultra-deepwater are unlikely to be economic in the near future. The name of the game today is all about efficiency, not only for the service and equipment providers themselves, but also for their customers. Smart executives are focusing on three things. First, they're continuing to remake their cost base by simplifying operations and logistics to ensure that they're earning a return on every dollar they're spending. Second, they're helping their customers reduce costs by engineering out costs, seeking novel technologies that drive efficiency, and looking to business models that help their customers thrive in the current environment without taking it all in the form of price and margin. And finally, they're reworking their portfolio through M&A and other means to ensure that they're thriving when the industry eventually does recover. The current downturn will test the service and equipment market for some time, but those executives that take the smart actions now will emerge from the recovery in a stronger position.